Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Gud Ka Sharbat recipe, a highly refreshing and cooling summer drink. So let's get started with the recipe. To make Gud Ka Sharbat, into my small stone grinder, I'm adding in a pinch of saun, also known as fennel seeds, 2 whole black peppercorns, and I'm grinding the fennel seeds and the black peppercorns. Fennel seeds or saun has cooling properties, and freshly ground fennel seeds also will give an amazing flavor to the sharbat. And now I'm going to keep this aside. Into a small bowl, I am adding in 1 teaspoon basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds. Basil seeds or sabja seeds has cooling properties. Also note that basil seeds and chia seeds are different. I have already shared a detailed video on the difference between basil seeds and chia seeds. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out to understand more. Add in some water, give it a stir, and allow the basil seeds to get swelled up. It should get ready in about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to keep it aside. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1/3 cup or about 3 to 4 sprigs of mint leaves. Next, I'm adding in the freshly ground black pepper powder and saun, a small piece lightly crushed fresh ginger, 1/3 teaspoon black salt, also known as kala namak, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon or a pinch of amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. Into this, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon organic sugarcane jaggery. Now, this jaggery does not contain any sand or dirt or dust particles. Hence, I'm adding directly into the blender jar. You may also notice that the jaggery is soft and smooth. This is organic sugarcane jaggery. I'm adding in the thick and creamy organic sugarcane jaggery. Squeeze in half a lemon, 1 cup of water. Decrease or increase jaggery as per your sweetness. And now I'm going to blend this really well. Note that I'm using a high speed blender, hence all the ingredients will be blended really well. To serve the sharbat, into a serving glass, I'm adding in a couple of ice cubes, couple of fresh mint leaves. The basil seeds has swelled really well. I'm adding in a couple of tablespoons of basil seeds. A slice of lemon, and then pour in the blended sharbat. Give it a light stir, and lastly garnish it with a sprig of fresh mint leaves. And my super healthy Gud Ka Sharbat is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy sharbat recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.